Times Morning, Dan.
Hello, Maxine. I tell you, today's a breather sort of day. Catch our breath. We had the rain last night, another bout of rain coming in tonight and tomorrow. Enjoy some brighter weather because it's quite a mass of rain that is going to slowly work its way in. It is on the way, and as I say, through the course of the day, if you're going to be outside, take advantage of some decent weather. Lovely curl of cloud, that's the low spinning around. And notice how this cloud is streaming in. It's more of the mid and high level cloud. That is streaming in. That is the next lump of wet weather sitting down to the south and the west. But you can see, for a lot of us, it's a decent dry day. Do take advantage of it because that wet weather's coming in. Here's the afternoon over Scotland. Fine for the most part, one or two showers, which could be heavy here and there, particularly the central lowlands down towards, say, Dumfries and Galloway. Northern England looks good, doesn't it? Really towards the Midlands, parts of East Anglia. Fine for the outside. Maybe it's family out for the day, maybe Saturday shopping. You're in fine shape. 15, 16, 17. A few little showers. They're going to sneak along the south coast. And then we come south and west, and it's just getting its act together. Some of the darker blues, the greens, the heavier downpours. So through the afternoon, you'll see this creep into parts of Cornwall. Otherwise, just thicker cloud to parts of Devon. Coming into Wales too. We're okay for a time for, say, the Gulf at Newport, and then further north and west across the Irish Sea. Just seeing fine looking afternoon for Northern Ireland. Just a few showers here and there, but otherwise in pretty good shape. We look to the south and the west. That's the wet weather, and then boom, here it comes. Do bear it in mind, the southwestern parts, that lump of green crayon, no, that's some heavy downpours, 20, 40 millimetres. Notice how it goes like that. Low develops, winds up. Everywhere else there'll be bits and pieces of rain. A breeze as well, maybe some mist perhaps in a few areas where the winds drop light. 9, 10, 11, 12 or so as we start off Sunday. Watch out again for another belt of rain. It's almost like having a big string with bits and pieces of sponge on it. There's the first sponge, there's the second sponge, and they just kind of ease their way through because the prevailing winds are moving in this direction instead of clearing them away. So this is the next one for Sunday. Again, another burst of some heavy rain. Southern counties this time, and maybe even further north to Wales. Bear that in mind as well, perhaps, for the Gulf. In between, you'll be okay. Some showers into the north and the west, if you're lucky. 16, 17, maybe an 18. So that's the little wiggly old thing, the little piece of string with our sponges, our different lumps of wet weather. It will eventually clear away, but it's going to take some time. We're into Monday. There it is across the south and the east. Bit of a westerly wind brightens the skies. Trying to get better, but it's just taking its time. You almost want to say, come on, clear out of the way, but taking some time. 16, 17 and more wet weather waiting off towards the wings. So there'll be some wet weather. If you manage the drier, bright weather, for the next few hours, do take advantage of more details, of course, online. That's the weather.